guys, welcome to Coin Mühendisi Global YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about altcoins. What is altcoin? How we can find 20x, 50x potential altcoins? Which website we get benefit and more. If you want to have more videos like this, subscribe our channel, and to be the first person to catch the news, please hit the bell. Let's get started. First question is this: what is altcoin? Altcoin is an alternative coin to Bitcoin, which was created by Satoshi Nakamoto. As we understand, the word itself, alt, comes from alternative. There are different altcoins for different purposes. Ethereum is a decentralized open source blockchain with smart contract functionality. Ether is the native token of Ethereum. Comparing to market cap among altcoins, number one and the largest cryptocurrency project hosting thousands of projects under its blockchain is Ethereum. This was created by Vitalik Buterin. And the other project is Litecoin. Litecoin is an open source and peer-to-peer cryptocurrency and altcoin released under MIT license. Cardano is a decentralized proof-of-stake blockchain platform created by Charles Hoskinson, who was one of the founders of Ethereum. Polkadot is a unique proof-of-stake cryptocurrency platform created by computer scientist Gavin Woods, and also he was ex-CTO for Ethereum. Developers can create the dApps on it and can have security trust by Polkadot. Ethereum doesn't provide this. You may have heard we have tokens and coins in an ecosystem. So now we will talk about the difference between token and coin. And the difference is only about blockchain. If a project works under its own blockchain, it's called coin. If a project works under another blockchain, such as Ethereum, it's called token. Projects like Ethereum is a coin because it has its own blockchain. But projects like Tether and also Maker are tokens of Ethereum. As you see, we have contracts. So this means it works under Ethereum. Simply, you can see this too. So now the topic is how to find best projects in market. So as we all know, everybody wants to get rich or earn good money to have a better life conditions. However, there are people who look for getting money from people's pockets. This is why it's important to be safe and good analyzer. To invest safely, we should look for projects among top 300. This is my strategy, and this is only one of the simple steps to conduct. So let's dive into Audios. So this project works under Ethereum blockchain. Okay. And also, first I will click on website. I have Explorer, I have Community, we have tags. As you see, Coinbase Venture Portfolio has invested on Audios. So this is a good sign that this project can be a good project. And also Binance Labs too. Okay, Multicoin Capital has invested too, and also Pantera. So when we see the ventures part, they are good ventures. Okay, we are going down. So this is the chart of our project. And as you see, we have 1D, 7D, 1M, 3M, and the other ones. So 1D stands for 1 day, 7D stands for 7 days, 1M stands for 1 month. So when we click on, we can see different date ranges. Okay, and also basically when we see the coin itself, the coin is in bear market because the price itself is very low when we compare to all-time high, so which is very low. So we can basically say the token is in bear market. Okay, we are moving down. So what is Otis? We can read basic definition of Otis. We opened the website. Okay, the website looks very professional and very well designed. So we have the guys. So by the way, it's important to see people's faces too when we open the website, when we open the project. As you see, we can see the LinkedIn profile. So people seem like they don't want to get the money and run. They are here for the project. They are here to change something. Okay, we have advisors. Okay, this is an interesting sign. Bin Garden, co-founder of EA Games. And also we have investors. As you remember, we have talked about this one right on CoinMarketCap. Dive into the other parts. So we have market cap. It's $637 million and the volume $24 million, and also the circulating supply more than 600 millions. Okay, when we see circulating supply and the total supply, there are no big difference. We can easily say that 60% of the token is in market. So it cannot show a sell pressure when we have unlocked tokens. We will dig into this detail later on. So basically, when we say like that, if we have huge percent range between the total supply and circulating supply, it can show a sell pressure. When we have unlocked tokens, people start selling them, and when they start selling them, the price will go down. So if you have token, the price of token will go down, you will lose your money a bit. But at that time, if you are an investor, this is a good sign to buy more, because the price goes down and you look further, you will invest in years. So this is a very good sign for you to buy more. Okay, now let's see the markets, which exchanges we have right on the project itself. We have Binance. As we know, this is the largest cryptocurrency exchange in the world. We have this on Uniswap, FTX, Gate.io. Okay, this is a good one. We have many exchanges. Okay, now holders part. So now basically, what does holder mean? Holder is the person or an institution who has the token itself. Okay, so when we see the total addresses, the total number of unique addresses that hold assets in the network. So when you see from November 21, 2021 to today, it has grown up very, very quickly. And this means many people have started holding this token. So people like to invest this coin. Okay, the project info. So we have talked about the organizations and investors. Okay, a brief look. We will go to news part. Okay, the news will be important as well, because when you buy this token 2 or 3 days ago, when you see news about your token, the price of token will go up. Or if you see any bad news, price of token will go down. So it will be important to follow the news of your token right on this part on news. The socials. So it's important to check if social media works. So we will open the Twitter part. Twitter, Reddit, Twitch, and Discord are the key social medias to follow. It has tick, very good sign. So we are going down. So February 3, 14 hours ago. So this means they work. They work constantly and their social media is active. Okay, after checking this one, we will see different parts if we have as the technology itself, team, projects, and ecosystem metrics. So the project is in the middle. AAA is the best, D is the worst. Audios right in the middle. So when we see the team, they are somehow good. The project itself looks good. The ecosystem is somehow good too. So let's talk about briefly when to buy the token. So when we see the price itself, as you know, we have technical analysis too. So what is this technical analysis? By looking at charts, by drawing support and resistance, by drawing trends, trend lines, is to predict where the price will go. Imagine we have done our technical analysis. We have decided where support is. Okay, we can see that like $1.90. $1 is our support line. So it's good time and good sign to buy this coin for the long term. So what else can we do? If the price itself goes down more, I can buy at the price of 85 cents and 75 cents partially, not 100% of your portfolio, partially, like 25% of portfolio, 20% of portfolio. You can buy the token like this. Okay, that's it for this video. But first of all, I want to see your predictions about this token that we analyzed. Please write the price estimates on the comments. I really want to see your comments, okay? And if you like to have more videos like this, please subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching me. Take good care of yourself. See you in the next video. Bye bye.